Hi, here's a video on the result of the American Girl doll Ruthie's curly hair. Okay, here it is. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I know, it's a little frizzy, but that's okay. It's just so pretty and so curly. How many curlers did I use? I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I used 8 curlers, and they are American Girl brand. Then I used some bobby pins to keep them in very well, and I used the curling papers that came with, and the result is just so pretty. It was already curly because I've been curling her hair for a few days because I want it super curly. And I just curled her hair this morning and it's already ready. It's just so pretty, her hair is. Here, let me get a better view of that. Here, look at all those curls. And she is the American Girl doll Ruthie. And I think she looks prettier than the curl she came with. Her hair is just so curly, I might not even know what to do with it. So I like to take little sections and put it back in clips, because I don't like to brush her hair out. And her hair is just so pretty. So I just like her hair so much. I like the result. So thanks for watching. Bye.